Hi guys, this is 2013 Kia Sorento. So this one had problem is the steering wheel is bad rattle, the bad knocking. Can hear the noise. So it's came for the underneath of the column. We have to remove the column shaft, then have to change for the rubber damper inside the motor. We have to replace that one. Okay, it's a 21mm socket for the steering wheel. So this is the spiral cable. Okay, we clear the wiring harness in here, take it out. Now you can see the 214mm bolt. We got to remove that one. Guys, we drop down the motor. So here's the motor. You can off this, the Torx bits. One side in here. Okay, you have to remove this T30 bolt. It's getting T30. Okay, you can see the inside. All broken inside damper. So here the new damper, the brand new one. It's going like this way. It's completely broken. You can see all the rubbish in here, the damper parts, and to taking out this whole part. Okay, here the motor. So I'm going to install the new parts. Doesn't matter anyway. Okay, we're going to install the motor. Okay, just one bracket in here is going to here thumb bolt. This bigger bolt going through here. It's going in here. It's a 14mm bolt. We install the column. I'll put the 14mm nut right side also. Okay, we tied all the 14mm nut and bolts, and so then after you have to do the wiring connectors. Okay, I connect all the connector back in. It's a DLC 3 connector. Here all connectors, 3 connectors. That too. Guys, here's the spiral cable we're going to install. I put the new one. Like this. Guys, finally we installed everything, cover, put it back together. So then you have to put back in the spiral cable, everything. Then have to do the airbag. Guys, finally we done the job. Everything put back together. So now I'm going to start the car. Then have a look. No, it's still there or not. Okay, car is starting. Noise is gone. So all good. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.